Hello everyone and welcome to Music Academy International. Today Smokey is here, my beautiful dog. We continue today with the second part of our waltz in A minor. I'm just going to review whatever we did last time and then we're going on the second part. So we said we're going to stretch the time, we're going to go, by now you did practice your left hand going strong and then very soft. Right? You already learned the basics, the entire bass, nicely coming from one. You've been learning probably crescendo, decrescendo, you make it beautiful, you add the pedal, and then you did change, you was playing it as well, I hope by now, with the tempo, stretching and coming back like the wind, and going back. Alright? I'm going to start playing again. And you watch me and then we're moving forward. Very simple, right? We're having a left hand that she's doing the same thing. It's going either this and either A minor. So E7, E major 7, or A. E with E7, A minor. Da, 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 da. So same way you're gonna practice or accentuate, come fast to the E, E with E, A with A, E with E, A with A, right? Soft. Good. On the right hand, we're gonna start like any phrase, almost all of the phrases. Usually we're starting in piano. I'm gonna go in a crescendo and play with it and have fun. Right? So we have in here three motives here, repeat. So, and we're having a more than here 3 times, this one, here, and then here, right? So don't play it, so first of all, I wouldn't suggest you to play it too fast. Because it's too like, I don't know, like something. It's like, no, that's not, again, not Chopin. So make it more graceful. A little time, remove your fingers, light and flowing, not too heavy, airy. Now you have with the left hand, obviously they're all going down, he's going to go obviously decrescendo. So you could go crescendo. There you go. After the crescendo, you're gonna go decrescendo. Right. Another little thing that it's your choice how you want to do this more than. You have 2 choices. You either play it on the same time, first note on the same time with the left hand like that. Again. You see the difference? Or on the third note. whatever it's easier for you. I do like the more than to be before and then the note on the main note to match with the left hand like that. That's my personal choice. Now you can try whatever, however it fits for you easily, or however you like it. Just practice on it. Do not be too harsh on it or too percutated. It's just nicely going back. 1, 2, 3. 1. It's not 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. It's like 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Really graceful. Okay. And again, I'm playing with the tempo, with the speed. Long arpeggio here, right? So you have a triplet and then with a quintulet, right? And next with the left hand. So how you gonna practice this? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hit. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hit. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hit. Right? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hit. Right? So you start a little more piano and then you go crescendo, right? I hope you know how to do long arpeggios. If not, you're gonna practice. You're gonna practice this. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So right? And don't rush on it. So it's nothing. It's Chopin. You don't need to rush. You can even slow down if you need. You see? Nothing hard. Nicely and graceful. Okay? So please stop the video and do practice this part for another couple of days or couple of hours or just couple of minutes, and then come back to the part 3 of the same waltz. I hope you enjoy our tutorials and my performances. Music Academy International, it's a non-profit foundation. Its goal is to provide financial support for talented pianists to study with international teachers. Please consider to become part of our Patreon family, link below. By subscribing, $5-10 a month will really go long way. All our family friends and students, they do have access to our private channel called Master Piano Live with Liana, and where I am holding a live seminar once a month. Thank you so much and God bless you.